You're running a sales team and you're dealing with lots of unqualified calls coming through your pipeline, and one alternative is you can have somebody actually going through each call as they get booked, calling them, researching them, making sure they're qualified, or you end up with a sales team who's just getting a lot of no-shows and a lot of unqualified calls and wasting your top closer's time. So to solve for that, I actually built an automation that I want to share with you today. And here is essentially how it works. It is a sales call screening AI, and it catches new calls coming in from Go High Level, runs them through this AI agent to actually screen those calls, and then updates them in our CRM, Go High Level, updates them in our spreadsheet. And we're also using Hyros to track ads, to track sales, to track conversions, and we're training our ad platforms based on Hyros data. So this actually sends it back to Hyros to essentially tell Hyros that that sale is unqualified so that it can do better at training our ad platforms on Google and on Facebook. Okay, so it all kind of starts inside of Go High Level here. You're going to need to set up an automation that looks like this. An appointment is booked in your sales group or in your sales calendar, and then it's going to send this webhook over to your N8N. Your N8N is going to catch it with a webhook here, and then you're going to have all of the info about that contact inside of this N8N workflow, and it's going to look something like this on the right. Now, the next step is to actually process that information with this AI agent. Now, I wrote a pretty basic system template here that works really well. So let me just show you kind of what it's evaluating. You're a helpful sales assistant, and your goal is to evaluate newly scheduled sales calls for a PR agency and help decide if it's a real business and score the quality of the call. First, look at the email they booked with. If it's a business email, use Perplexity to visit the site and see if it's a real business. If they provided a website, use your Perplexity to see if it's a real website and if it matches the email they scheduled with. If they used a personal email address, visit the website they provided and evaluate the likelihood they are associated with that website business. Finally, use that info to give us a spam score, a quality score, and a brief explanation. And it actually does a really good job. So we got a 9, a 2, and the explanation. Let's go ahead and do it with our most recent call. So I'm just going to grab that contact and we're going to throw them into this Go High Level automation so that the automation can run and we can start getting some feedback. So it's going to send it to this webhook, and then it's going to wait until the evaluation is complete. So this step here, it essentially waits until the spam score is not empty. And then it's going to proceed down with these conditions. It's a good call if spam score is less or equal to 6. The AI quality score is greater than 7. It's a low quality call if the AI quality score is less than 6. Likely spam if the spam score is greater than 7. I might play with these filters a little bit, but you get the general idea. Now, a couple things I can do in terms of actions. For right now, until I'm confident that this is giving great results every time, I'm just going to send the sales team a little notification. If it's low quality or it's spam, just going to have some information about the lead and some follow-up actions to think about canceling the call if they confirm that it's accurate. Now, once this thing is running for a while and I'm testing it, I could actually just create another action inside of GHL to update the appointment status. And I can actually cancel the appointment directly from GHL if the spam score is high or if it's a low quality score. And then I can send them a follow-up email, why it was canceled, and an option to rebook. But for right now, we're just going to leave it like this while we collect some information. All right, now let's go into N8N and see the results of that run. So I actually ran it for this guy here since it's clearly a spam call, so I want to show you how that works. Gave me a fake domain. It's a personal Gmail account. So let's go ahead and see that run and show you how it actually functions. I caught the information from that call. This AI agent actually used Perplexity twice to go through probably Gmail and his website, and it gave us a spam score of 9, a quality score of 1, used a personal Gmail address, and the website provided doesn't appear to be real. So a pretty good, accurate answer there. It updated their contact in GHL, then it found their call in Hyros, and it updated that call as spam. It sent it back to our Go High Level to actually notify our sales team to go ahead and cancel that call. And one thing you're going to have to figure out here, Go High Level actually makes it somewhat difficult with N8N to update custom fields. For that reason, I have this workaround that I do where I use their version 1 API and I just ping this and I get all of the custom fields. And I find those custom fields and I use their version 1 API to update them here using the specific codes. So you can just go ahead and copy that and see what I do. If you come to editor, mine are pinned. You're going to have to run this and you're going to have to see what your own custom field IDs are. And then you'll just plug your IDs into this update contact here. It's pretty self-explanatory. And with Hyros, kind of same thing. They don't have a native integration, so you just need to see what I did for my API calls and replicate that with your own information. So I hope this automation is helpful for you. I hope it streamlines your sales operations. I know it's going to save your closers a ton of time, a ton of frustration. This is something that I developed to kind of solve problems in my own business. So if you want the template, you want to import this into your company, including the prompts, the API calls, all you have to do is join my AI Automation Insiders. It's a totally free community where automations like this and the workflows and the templates are available for you to download and input into your business. So if you found this helpful, please give it a like. Drop a comment below if you have any modifications or any feedback, and please subscribe to this channel if you're interested in learning more about AI automation and want to automate your business. That is all. I'll see you soon.